The OnePlus has officially announced the new smartphone OnePlus Nord 3. Now I am reviewing the OnePlus Nord 3. The display of this smartphone 6.74-inch Full Amoled, the display color 1 billion color, and the refresh rate 120 Hz HDR10+. The brightness of the display of this smartphone 1450 nits peaks. The screen to body ratio of the display of this smartphone 67.7%. The resolution of the display 1214 by 2772 pixels. PPI density 450. Now I am telling about the operating system of this smartphone Android 13 Oxygen OS 13.1. The chipset MediaTek MT6983 Dimensity 9004nm. The CPU octa-core and the GPU Mali G710 MC10. Now I am telling about the memory of this smartphone. Card slot is not available, but the internal memory are available of different type, and the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera are triple camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash HDR in panorama. Now I am telling about the video of the main camera of this smartphone 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 120 fps video EIS. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps video EIS. The sound of this smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. The Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct. The Bluetooth 5.2 to DPLE. NFC is available, but the radio is not available of this smartphone. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. Now I am telling about the battery of this smartphone 5000 nanomovable. The battery charging of this smartphone 80W. The 5G technology is available of this smartphone. The dual SIM slot is available of this smartphone, nano SIM and dual standby. IP54 dust and water resistant of this smartphone. The line date was announced of this smartphone 5 July 2023. There are a different price is also available after this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. For any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.